What's going on, guys? Proper Fraud Gaming here, and welcome back to Pocket Morty's. I know we left off with having to get a badge, but I went ahead into the game because I couldn't wait anymore because this game is so... No. Oh, it's that button. Okay, so... The council member. Alright, so let's go battle a council member. I got a badge. Yeah, it's weird. I got a badge. We're going Morty Chris. Oh, I thought I could actually catch that dude. Alright, let's go to the council. Is the council up here? I don't know. Or I really don't know. Salesman Rick. I actually need to buy something from him. I need to buy one of those. I need to. Can I not buy one of those captures that helps you capture stuff? I don't know. I'll customize stuff. Alright, so I guess I can't buy what I need there. Here's the council place. Let's go fight a council member. See if we can beat him. Alright, let's fight him. Let's see how many Mortys he has, actually. He has 2 Mortys. I think he might beat me. He might. I don't know. Use outburst. Oh, wow. Okay, so he did nothing, basically. I might be able to beat this council member. Just barely, though. Yeah, I think I'm going to beat this Morty. Then it's up to my other Morty, because I'm not going to last 2 of these. Yeah, I'm gonna beat this guy with this, and then he's gonna send out the next one, in your face. Alright, Spooky Morty. Let's continue anyway, just to get it over with. Let's go with Outburst. Ooh, he didn't beat me there. Alright, looks like he's gonna beat us right here unless he doesn't use... Yeah, he used an attack move. Alright. Let's go in with our Rock Morty, Scruffy Morty. He's paper. I might not win this. Yeah, I might. Because he'll do extra damage because he's paper and I'm rock. Or is it where I don't do as much damage because I'm rock? Both. Yeah, I'm gonna lose this. Dadgummit. I should really get a new Morty. Yeah. Last hit? Yep. Yep. Dadgummit, we lost the council member. Thanks again, bird person. We lost and died like a noob. No, I don't like blazing rewards. Oh, man, that sucks. Alright, so let's go try to find some more. I still don't know. Welcome to the Morty Daycare. I don't know. Boot camp? Alright, so I need to figure out a way to get more of those capture capsules or whatever they're called. So let's go to Salesman Rick. Alright, so let's items. He doesn't have what I need. I can actually use this. Oh, it's 600. Dang. Alright, let's buy this. And I really don't know what to do. Guess let's go try to beat the council member again. I mean, I got some more healy things, so I might be able to do it this time if I remember to use the heal things. Alright, let's battle. Let's get it over with. Shut up, Rick. Neutralize. Oh yeah, it's this attacking thing. I will use an item on Morty when he gets low. Alright, sure, this should kill him. Yeah, it does. Level 7. Alright, HP and attack grew. Continue. Alright. Ooh, no, I didn't mean to switch there. I meant to item. Alright, let's use a serum. On Morty. This should heal him up all the way. Yeah, there we go. Outburst. Yeah, that barely affected me. Alright, so I should be able to win this time because I have the Morty that doesn't have a type. So, oh yeah, we're definitely gonna win this. You'll be close though. Oh, I'm gonna win this. Just barely won it. Oh no, this is sick, boys. Let's go. 55 XP points. We beat him. Alright, we got 300 schmeckles, flips and chits. What is it called? Coupon. Beginner's luck, Rick. Don't get too cocky. Wait, you thought that's all you need to do to get your portal gun back? It's not going to be easy, Rick. I don't even have it. Come back when you have 6 badges and maybe you'll be closer. Alright, fine. Maybe we can buy one of those capture pod things, huh? Hold on. Alright, so let's see if we can buy a capture thing. Nope, still can't. Alright, so you can now use Morty Labs to mob your Mortys. Don't know what that is. What even is this? Good luck. One battery. Poison cure. Pure serum. Mega seed. You see the level 6 skeleton Morty. Oh, level 6 skeleton Morty. That's pretty good. let's use up all our tickets here, because I want to get a full, like, parade, like, party. Tin can, paralyzed cure, pure serum, attack mega seed, level 6 butterfly Morty. Okay, take him. Got one more ticket. I got flea, paralyzed cure, Halzinger, I don't know how to say that. Courier flap, that's weird. Reverse mermaid Morty. Okay. Got a reverse mermaid. Alright, so this is our whole pack here. Walking behind me. Pretty sick. Yeah, bro. Pretty sick. I think I have a few new ones that Eli doesn't have. But if I don't, please, Eli, tell me. Tell me in the comments if I do have all of them you have. Oh yeah, I need to heal first. I want some schmeckles. How do I get schmeckles? Actually, first I am going to go to the healing. Oh, Morty Labs, what's this? Welcome to Morty Labs. This safest-ish place to mod your Mortys. Alright. Select a Morty. Let's use reverse mermaid Morty. Oh, no other additional attacks. Okay. Alright, let's heal up our Morty and let's go through the portal. The healing station should be just up. Yeah, there we go. Come on, there we go. Alright, it's healing right now. And there you go, full HP and AP. So let's go through the portal and let's see what awaits us. Ooh, oh yeah, that Schmeckles guy. So you want a quick buck? I can help you with that. Guys, the recording software glitched out. So what I'm gonna do before it glitches out again and I'll lose all of my recording time, I'm going to end the video here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And like I said, Eli, if I do have all of them that you have and I didn't get a new one, then please correct me in the comments. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Bye!